No, it's never been cleaned, but we've got a triple stack here of Lincoln Impinger ovens, and the top one doesn't work. When they turn it on, it just kind of does whatever it wants to. Sometimes it works. The inside of it's filthy. Now I'm just going on a limb here, but all this dust and flour everywhere can't be helping things. Have a look at this. I don't think it can breathe. I think this fan right here needs to come out of here and get cleaned for one thing, so it can breathe. Look at that, it still turns, it just needs cleaning. Now this control board here, well, let's clean it too. Maybe it's just too dirty. So we're gonna just deep clean this board here and show you the proper method to do that. See, it's clean on the bottom, but it's just filthy on the top. So let's take care of this. There we go. Give this thing a good deep cleaning. Give them all a rinse. I don't think I'm going to show the whole process of scrubbing this board and fan and stuff. You know the drill. Okay, so we're going to wash the board. All clean. Dry her off and put it back in the oven. Here's our nice clean fan. Stick that in place. Put our nice clean control board in. So I've powered it on. You can see the cooling fan in the back works again. And that one works too. So we're good to go there. Let's see what it does. Hey, the board's alive. That's what I'm talking about. Look in here. Isn't that cool? It's a flamethrower. So, anyways, folks, that's how you clean a Lincoln Impinger oven and get it working again if it gets too dirty to work.